little bird with feathers brown sat singing in a tree. His song was very soft and low, but sweet as it could be, but sweet as it could be. His song was very soft and low, but sweet as it could be. The people who were passing by looked up to see that bird that sang the sweetest melody that ever they had heard, that ever they had heard, that sang the sweetest melody that ever they had heard. Dear Father, little Gracie said, where can that birdie be? If I could sing a song like that, I'd sit where folks could see, I'd sit where folks could see. If I could sing a song like that, I'd sit where folks could see. That birdie is content to sit unnoticed all day long, and simply sing his Maker's praise from dawn to setting sun, from dawn to setting sun, and simply sing his Maker's praise from dawn to setting sun. I hope my little girl does learn a lesson from that bird, and try to do what good she can, not to be seen or heard, not to be seen or heard, and try to do what good she can, not to be seen or heard. God made the birds, the little birds, to flit from tree to tree. 'Tis He who sends them in the spring to sing for you and me, to sing for you and me. 'Tis He who sends them in the spring to sing for you and me.